Sure, guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boat here, DJ. So today bengifuna senze album review la kune album emapiano entsha ephumile from one of our legend, one of the great uDimthuda. So album yakhe ibizwa Mthuthuzeli, igama lakhe ke lelo. So album nje ngibonile nawo ama features amaningi, ukhona uKabza, ukhona uMurumba Pitch, ukhona uMthunzi, bakhona Emos, ukhona uStana. So ngeke ngayilalela ke inengoma ezu12. Most yazo zimnandi. So bengifuna nje ukuhighlight lezi zimbale ngizwile but there's one song eNosinomsola I think izoyenza ihavoc kakhulu. I think yona ngoma ezoba nkulu kakhulu. So ingoma ibizwa ngeWena Baby. Enye ingoma engithema ukuthi ngiyilalela ngijonga nama numbers la kuma screams I think iyamove kakhulu. So that is one of the biggest song engiyibonile album. Ikhona nenye ingoma engithinte kakhulu inomthunzi kuthiwa baninzi. Ikhona nenye ethi Weekend Aziwe. I think abantu abaningi ngiyona baqala ukuthi baloyedla nase radioweni iyafila because ino Emos. So ikhethi nje kakhulu but mbathi ngiyilalela album yakhe compare nalo Mthuda wakudala I think album yakhe imatured kakhulu ine sound engathi yase Mexico noma yabo lezi ngoma zokuspinda abantu abadansela osamba kanjalo I think iaphila kakhulu ku international market le album kaMthuda so umjida nje ukhombisa kakhulu usino experience kwi game and album yakhe ayilona ipiano kakhulu ithe kuba tech kakhulu la so umuntu walalela ingoma eziningi ngathi zi afro tech but ke masukuthi uyazizwe ezinye izinayo drum so Mthuda I think mina usabhilonga kumapiano but album yakhe ithanda uba different kakhulu abantu abaningi la bathanda ingoma lezi ze-speaker I don't think bazo-enjoy kakhulu mayisafika kuzothatha isikhathi because ithe kuba different but imnandi nje kakhulu i-production yakhona inswempa I think umjida uprovile and another thing enginokusisile laphana uma ujonga i-art cover yakhe laphana uphethe i-crown but akayigqokanga i-crown this means uyazi ukuthi I know when it comes to amapiano i-king iyodwa so uKabza I think nawo Mthuda uyavuma because banako ubudlelwana abanakho so bathi kuba close but ingoma nje yilezo khona enye ingoma ethanda ube ghost kakhulu nalomjidelo ukuthi uThemen Express ibizwa Famba Wena so enye ingoma engizwile lezi ningi ingoma ezimnandi but ifuna ngathi ungaloku ilalela album kaMthuda bo ayona album olelela once imizwa no iyahit but I think mina izoyenza kakhulu but nje le ngoma lethi baninzi yo anoma engasho music video I think izoreach indawo eningi so nje so speaker now I think mangathiwa si rate le uMthuda because album esingayilindile ku2024 qala unyaka because uMthuda akajwayele ukuvela egqoqile nje so mina I think uMthuda universal basebenzile ngamnikeza maybe u8 out of 10 so yeah speaker nawe sekhona ku Twitter @speaker nawe Facebook is speaker nawe yawo Insta khona even at TikTok is speaker nawe we out